Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing today? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience, boys. We back. After a beauty recharge in the mountains, we are back. Hopefully you guys doing all right. Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing today? Oh, I got the repeat on. Sorry about that, boys.
I tried everything.
I tried everything. How you guys doing? Ian, you still here, my brother? How you doing? You still locked out, or you took that market open scalp to the short or to the downside there, buddy?
But nothing stuck.
All right, let's get her going. So far, boys, I'm leaning upside. New week opening gap fill. But again, we gotta take what the market gives us in terms of direction. We'll see how we expand here. A few good levels in the 15. I just thought the 30 looked a little bit better, so hence why I have that marked out right now. But this is ideally our draw on liquidity today. And then we got two old AM highs that are stacked relative as well. So in terms of upside, we got about 120-ish to new week fill, and then we got about 175 to 200 to AM highs. Let's get after it. Yes, sir. Just watching the market, waiting for something to present. Nice, man. Are you locked out still, or I'm not sure if you actually lock out or not. Ian just out here railing market open trades, bro. Well, market opened up to the upside and is now sharply retracing. It'd be great if we could come back down into one of these levels for continuation higher. You're not actually locked out. That's all good, man. All good. How was your weekend? Give me some highlights, bro. What was beautiful about your weekend? Cheers, boys. First sip feels. Is that a Starbucks line? First sip feels. First sip feels, fellas. First sip feels. Let's go. Get it in you. Let's fucking go. Ah, dude, I think a beach would be great right now. Where would you rather be than your trading desk, in all honesty? Right now, for me, nowhere. You can see again here, man, just how they're defending that 25K level. Like, look at that. That was a spot on line. I'm not gonna lie. That was yours, bro. Look at this. Defend 25K, not a chance. Market tries to gap into it, and yeah, makers say, Again, we still have this data wick. So with the way that the world is going right now, who knows, man? Like it's pro US, it's negative US, it's pro US, it's negative US. This might just consolidate all the way down to data wick, but who knows? This data wick is a long-term lower draw. I don't want to say I'm expecting it to get filled, but this was, I believe, the ceasefire announcement over the market close. Is it about 6:30? Yeah, so right at market open on Wednesday. If anybody's curious. But for now, we look like we're cycling higher. Let's just focus on what's in front of us, and that is this price leg. Let's get it. Let's stay dialed, boys. Not gonna get a 1 hour formation. So it looks like the 30-minute, 15-minute are going to be our most reliable options currently. We'll get another 30 in about 25 minutes. The 15 will have already printed. No red folder today. Can you guys confirm that? I believe there's only red folder on Tuesday, PPI, if I'm not mistaken. It was good, bit sick. Ah, damn, bro, that's unfortunate. What kind of sickness you got? Like stuffy, sore throat kind of vibe, or? let me tell you something, man. We'll get you over that real quick. Some good energy, some good music, some good fucking trades, bro. Some good attitude. We're getting there. Let's go. Dude, the coffee is just hitting right today. My goodness. Blessed. I got a good feeling about this week. Ian, I had a good weekend, man. Again, I was in the mountains Thursday, Friday, came back Saturday midday. Just chilled out with the fam, bro. And then yesterday, I just took it easy, man. Yeah, took it easy, played some video games with my brother for the first time in a minute. Worked on some trading content, and here we are. This week, I'm going to be filming a bunch of content for the group because we're launching Premiere on Friday, end of day. So, Ian, if you have anybody else that wants to get in before end of day Friday for free lifetime access, wouldn't hurt to send them an invite before they're on their knees praying for lifetime access. Yeah, right. If somebody came up to me and started praying to me, I'd be unbelievable. Like, am I your god? I don't think so, friend. I don't think so. Get up, go get a job. Pay me to join. No, I'm just playing. Boys. Looks like this 30 minutes is going to be our key level moving forward here. 15 is just filling. Yeah, of course, bro. Wonder what we got this week. Yeah, who knows, man? I think it's going to be a good week nonetheless. I'm feeling patient. I'm feeling confident, and in a market where, you know, if you're on social media, if you're in other trading groups, odds are the narrative is, oh, the markets are so shit. Sure, if you want to call the market shit, then they'll be shit, right? Don't expect good things from a shit market, right? So the way my mind works is I would never deem this market shit, right? Why would I trade a shit market, right? Food for thought. Food for thought, boys. If the market's shit, why are you trading? So in my opinion, the market is looking beautiful. These draws, sure, there's, you know, heavy gaps and news announcements, but these draws are crystal clear. High quality. Big new week opening gap fills, data wicks. We're looking good, boys. We're looking really good. Just got to be confident in your system and confident in yourself, right? Is that music too loud, Ian? I got it ripping right now. Ha. 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 Come on. I'm pumped. It's Monday. Mondays are the best days of the week, bro. TGIM. TGIM. So Ian, you cook for your family. Are you like an actual chef? Like, do you obviously you love to cook, I'm assuming. But do you like what kind of food do you like to cook, man? Are you like a one pot kind of guy? Or are you making recipes, like really nice looking meals and obviously nice tasting? I have to start calling you Garnish, Poppy. Ian, king of garnish. They say that garnish and seasoning does a better job if it touches your elbow before it hits the food. I'll turn that music down just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Come on now. Good share, brother. Good share. Boys, just a heads up. I want you guys to keep your financial juice open. I want you to keep your shit open and aware because um, what time is this set to? So that blockade is scheduled to start. The Strait of Hormuz blockade starts in 20 minutes, 19 minutes. So we got to be careful here, boys. We don't know what's going to happen. We got red folder. Get on financial juice. If you need help, let me know. But we need to stay on top of this because if shit starts popping off, then it might be best for us just to stay on the sidelines, right? Whether you're trading evals, whether you're trading funded, it don't matter, man. It's time that we start exercising some good qualities. And if that means sitting on our ass, then that means sitting on our ass, bro. Let's go. Okay. Showing some indecision in and around this area. Not a bad thing. Tough market. I lean bullish. Been going long here. 100% boys. Right now, I'm leaning upside. Sorry guys, I have my chat scrolled. Sorry about that. Yo, offline. Welcome, bro. How you doing? How you doing? This is the first time I've seen you, man. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, right now, brother, we're leaning longer. This new week opening gap fill is currently my bullish target. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here, but looking for some continuation notice, 30-minute fair value. Yo, offline, if you're not in the Discord, bro, get in. How about you, bros? Buddy, we're doing great, man. Thank you so much for asking. How'd you find the stream, brother? Might hold, might not. Yeah, there we go, buddy. Yeah, true. You're in, bro. Let's go. Good. How's that music, boys? Is it too loud for you, or is it all right? You tried long in this, bro. Ian, what was your play here, man? Did you just slam it or what? Break it down for me. This is where we grow, brother. This is where we grow. Your premier, good man. Good offline. Good. are you guys more keen on streams in Discord or streams on YouTube and whatnot? I find the Discord's got less latency. So what I was gonna do is I was gonna just do this free YouTube stream, but put like a 5-10 minute delay on it, and the Discord would be live. You prefer the YouTube? Okay. Yeah, that's fair. For now, yeah, I agree. I find the Discord can get a little buggy sometimes. Look at him respecting the bullish 5 minute gap. Let's take a look. Bullish 5 minute gap. Oh, I was already on it. Yeah, there you go. If you aren't managing accordingly against these gaps, like we had no inverse, brother. There might have been a 30-second, but there's no inverse here. You got to start dialing in your rules, man, and protocols. I get this looks like it's going up, but it ain't about being in it when it goes up. It's about being in it when it moves how it should be moving. Right, and that's according to your plan, brother. Right, if you need help building the plan, start simple. Start simple, higher time frame, continuations or reversals, whatever you trade. But you got to start exercising just a little bit more patience. That easily could have ripped too, but again, all good. We move on. Also, like if you look at what happens if you stay out of that first 15-minute candle, like you'll avoid a lot of bullshit. That's lagging offline. I'm only able to get the latency down a little bit. Like it's I haven't been able to get it to be as quickly as possible. I gotta play around. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing tech wise, eh? Okay, boys, the straight blockade is gonna start in 12 minutes here, according to Financial Juice. So let's just see what happens here. We don't want to be blowing nothing. We're not blowing evals. We're not blowing fundeds. We're not blowing personals today. Not now. Not ever. I gotta add a 30. Boom, there she goes. There's the expansion. And that is A-okay, boys. That is A-okay. Again, like we want to be comfortable letting these moves happen without us, right? If you're not comfortable with this happening, you just need more time in the market. It'll come. Blocking it is bullshit. Blocking it is bullish, isn't it? I don't know, dude. I wouldn't be trading news. That's foolish. You're gambling. Yeah, man, it was a small loss. It's no issues, But again, we gotta get redialed, man. We gotta get redialed. I mean, this is the market, boys. If you're not used to this shit by now, like you got to show up more. This is good times. Holy moly, that took off. So what do we got? We got a 50, 100 points, 2 minutes. No real tap into anything, to be honest. I guess we respected this first 5 minute. I trade 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour levels. So it's this is out of my realm. But yeah, could have been something here. The market execute off this slam of this inversion. Again, not my style of trading, man. Like again, if you're trying to get into every move, like it's exhausting. You're gonna take a lot of hits. Happens all the time, yeah, bro. You know what's up. What sucks, bro? It only sucks if you deem it to suck, man. Honestly, I'd like to get this gap fill sooner than later. We'll see what we get. Maybe we pause right in front of it, get a 15-minute continuation, a bit of a pullback. We'll see. Market's still looking really good. Market is still looking good, boys. Stay dialed. Most of the days, well, you're right, but I'm doing this for a living. Aren't we all, bro? If you're trading for a living and you're desperate for cash, you need to go get a job. Plain and simple. The market pays you when it wants, not when you want. What do you mean by the most of the days I'm not able to trade this? What aren't you trading? Like this session or this pair, this price action? Posture check, boys. Hydration check. Absolutely. But those new PAs, dude. I mean, I'm making money in this market, bro. I never traded this either, bro. You know what I'm saying? You just got to adapt and zoom out. Sucks showing up. Nah, man. It only sucks if you say it sucks, bro. Like you have to understand that you're here sitting here saying it sucks, and there's other people out here having a great time, making money, staying positive, staying focused. This is the market, man. When the war is gone, like what do you think's gonna happen next? You know what I'm saying? There's always gonna be something that's stirring up bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the ride, man. The crazier the better. Crazier the better. It demands your attention. Right? And that's just trading, bro. Like if you ain't willing to show up and not get paid, let alone show up and lose money, oh baby. Just remember that. You could be taking L's. You don't even need the money, dude. Come on. You don't even need the money. You got this, bro. You got this. But it's amazing what happens when our mindset shifts, right? Opportunity all of a sudden is everywhere. You know what I'm saying? If you are the type of person that is constantly chasing money, you'll never catch it. You got to let it come to you, bro. Think about that. Make that make sense for you, whoever you are, wherever you are, right? Everybody's situation is different. But if you're constantly chasing, you will never catch a fucking thing. You'll just get exhausted. Hey, yo, Killer Kitten. Yo, what up, Killer Kitten OG? How you doing? Happy Monday, brother. Tuning back in. We haven't talked in like a good week there, Killer. How you doing, brother? I'm from school now, bro. Damn. All right. How's school, man? How's the school treating my kid? Come on now. Yeah, bro, I absolutely agree. Made 3 payouts last month. I'm fine with it. It's just not what I really tried. That's fair, bro. Right on. That's fair. It's not what you like, man. Best advice I can give you is log off and come back tomorrow. It starts to get a little repetitive after you do it for 5 years, 6 years. And you get used to it. Okay, question for you guys: do you guys ever take 1 minute 1 minute executions out of 5 minute levels, or are you more like 30-second execution out of 5 minute? Just out of curiosity. Hmm. Just gotta change up the song here a bit, boys. Sorry, I don't got YouTube Pro. I actually like YouTube ads. I'm not gonna lie. They give me a good break from like whatever I'm doing. All right, let's go, boys. Refocus. 1 minute is lowest for me. Yeah. Okay. Cool, man. To be honest, like I'm not. I didn't find much success with 5 minute levels and 1 minute executions, bro. I found that the 30-second executions were in the trending market environment were just wicked, bro. The 30-second 5 minute combination was super spicy. Not like I trade that now. I don't, but I found it interesting. 30-second entries lower your win rate? Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. To be expected, right? Strike rate's going to decrease. Opportunity may potentially increase, but model use? Yeah, nice, bro. Very nice. Very nice, man. As of late, dude, I've just been one model. One model. That's it. It's kept things super consistent. Growth is a little bit slower because obviously you have to exercise patience, and your model's not necessarily playing out every day, depending on the week. But it's been good, man. It's been really good. Like just knowing that, like my capital's secure, and I don't gotta stress. It's wonderful. Cheers, boys. Posture check, hydration check, coffee sip check. Let's go. Damn. You guys drink your coffee black, or you guys throw some sweets in it? Okay, Killer. All good, man. All good, brother. This guy's out here mobbing in school. 4 entry models. Nice, bro. All developed by yourself. Good for you. Good for you. Sounds like you're a busy guy. Do you know like when you trade each model, or do you just always trade each model? This is gunning. All right, straight and foremost, let's see what happens. New York Post, Iranian officials are studying abandoning uranium enrichment as a U.S. condition for ending the war. Iranian officials are studying abandoning. Okay. So it looks like they're fighting over uranium deposits. And I'm assuming uranium is used to make bombs. Depends, it's just experience. Yeah, that's fair, bro. Right on. I found that even having two models, like you're always seeing trades everywhere. It was too much to handle for me. Not at that point. Well, TP is getting edged. Of course, Ian slammed a long here, eh? Ian, are you slamming longs again? Nice. Yeah, I'm like, I don't know, 1 to 4 setups a week kind of thing, depending on the market, honestly. There you go. Probably in for the sake of your long. I hope we hit TP. Nothing for me yet here, boys. There you go. Ian, you better be journaling these trades, buddy. If you're not journaling these trades, man, we're gonna have a problem. I found that once I started journaling trades, I took a lot less trades, man. You quickly realize just how much over trading or over, like, how much work journaling is. 2-3 trades a day, it's pretty heavy, bro. Your exposure's gonna get your ass kicked eventually. Come on, baby, push up. Push up for the kid. You never done it? Ian, there's some good free resources. There's some really good free resources. Notion's a great option. Obviously, if you want to pay, like, you can go EdgeWonk or TradeZella, something like that with those API connections. But I wouldn't bother. I wouldn't even bother. I would just get a Notion. I can send you something. But yeah, bro, once you start journaling everything, you quickly realize, like, holy fuck, like, this is a lot. I'm gonna wait for my setup. Do I even know what my setup is? Like, what model am I actually trading, right? It forces you to answer all these questions. That's what being a trader is about, bro. Trading isn't just buying and selling, even if you make money. Yeah, bro, you know what's up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My trade evade's bugging. There we go. Good morning, fellas. Macy, good morning, brother. Okay. Ian says, damn, I gotta go to the bank today. They restricted my business account because they thought futures trading is like something shitty. Dude, you don't even need a business account, man. Like, until you're making, $75,000 a year, I wouldn't even consider it. You're gonna spend more money in accounting fees and licensing than you'll make, or that you'll save in corporate tax. Again, I don't necessarily know where you're from, but pretty much anybody in Canada, if you're not making 75,000 plus a year in trading profits, it's best just to Run it as a sole proprietor. Paid my credit card late because of it? Shit. Bro, bad debt, number one. Bad debt, number one. Pay it all off. Always. Macy, my man, how you doing? I see that new profile pic looking sexy as ever. How's my boy? Macy's tuning in from the office there, hey? Cheers, Spark. Cheers, buddy. My boy Adam, how's it going? Boys, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this YouTube stream here. Make sure to like that shit. Apparently it helps. All's good, Macy. That's what I love to hear, brother. That's what I love to hear. Oh, dude, this music is like, fuck, we're gearing up, man. We're gearing up for something. We got a 50-minute level in 8 minutes. If we don't take this high, that'd be beautiful. We also still have these higher draws, these AM highs. Anyways, yeah, these AM highs are looking pretty tasty too. But new week is first draw. LDS looking nice. NQ stronger on the day. Potential. Oh. Okay, we're tickling. Ian, you got to be out of this now, Ian. Macy, what's going on, brother? How's the markets looking for you? We continue to exercise patience, boys. Let's go. I love patience. This is the good shit, boys. This is the good shit. If we could hold this high in a perfect world and retrace back into this, I would absolutely love to see that. That would be phenomenal. Nice, dude. Right on. What price did you get in at? I'm glad you caught that, bro. $15-minute I got marked. This new week opening gap, brother. 270, all right. A little lower time frame vibe or what? Look off this inversion or something. Right on. Oh, buddy. Come on down for the kid. Oh, this is going to look really good if it comes down. Also, ES hasn't taken the high. Like it hasn't even touched it. So NQ's leading. Looking for those longs on NQ, boys. 25, 270. 25, 270. Sorry for you guys in longs, but I'm praying for a pullback somewhere into this 15 if it prints. If it doesn't pull back into it, I hope it just rips for you guys. That'd be great. Love to see the boys get paid. I gotta change the song here, boys.
So, why should I learn a language?
Something a little more chill. This is unreal. $33 flat and open close price. Wow, perfect equals. Come on. Come on. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. And we got another 15 minutes on that 30-minute gap right here. It's looking good, man. It's looking really good, boys. Quick 400. There you go, dude. There you go. What were you running at the top, dude? If you took 20 points, did you partial out up top at all, or? Let's go. Macy's paid. I'm assuming Ian got paid too. Guy's got to go pay his fucking credit card. Brutal. One minute. Oh, using TradingView, right on. Could you not partial on TradingView, bro? Just click the X and then partial close? Oh, yeah. Man, I'll show you. Hold up. So if you go, let me just. Okay, let's go 10 contracts. Okay, let's say I'm in 10 contracts. All right, I'm not enough funds. Fuck. Okay, let's go. Let's go sell. Let's go 2 contracts. Okay, dude, when you're in a sell, for example, if you click cancel order, I don't know how you actually. To be honest, I don't know how you can do it. TP, confirm. Why is this so fucking slow, man? There we go. Cancel order. Oh, it's a limit. That's why. Duh. Okay, if we market execute sell. What is going on with this crap? Okay, so we're in, right? So we're in 2 contracts. If you click your X, you go partial close, and then you select how many contracts you want out. So I want to close 1 contract. Partial close. Boom. This thing is so slow. I hope your guys' trading view isn't this slow. This is fucking terrible. Yeah, so that's how you would do it. Anyways, let's redial. This is garbage. I gotta get this crap off of here. Log out. All right. Yeah, do it in the sim, bro. It's super simple. Yeah, there you go. It's super simple. We're going to get a 5-minute gap here. 3 minutes. Super cheap. $40 a point. $40 a contract. Likely run lower, print the 5, and then flip the 5 or react to the 5. It's just starting to look a little heavy. Just going to start cycling up. This 5-minute gap is going to print in a minute 30. You got to be cautious of that. If we could get some structure down here, that'd be great. It'll give us room to trade up into it. Wow. First presented 1 minute. Just rocketing. Bit of a tough spot here. Bit of a tough spot. ES is looking a little bit better, no 5-minute, but NQ is stronger. I haven't reacted to it yet. Exercising patience. Good V shape. It's a 2-minute level. 3-minute above. 5-minute above. This is why we wait for inversions, boys. little bit risky with this 5 minute resigning right there. This is a 1 minute, 2 minute, and a 30-second flip level here. Let's see if price wants to go. Oh shit, there it goes. Into the 5. There she goes. Well, that's okay. I'd have a tough time taking this now, man, because now it's 5 minute versus 2 minute. All right, could easily just roll over. Crush us. This is V-shaping nicely, though. The V-shape is nice. No 5 minute. Yeah, faded. Looks like it's going to start laddering. Ho, ho, and that, my friends, is why we wait. Holy crap. Look at this shit. This is exactly why you got to be careful for these higher time frame fair values above you if you're trading long in this example, right? 1 or 2 minute flip into a 5 minute, like this 5 minutes is likely to drive price lower, but this is manipulation. This might be good for a buy now. Now that we've cleared. I'm gonna throw a couple contracts on here, boys. Okay, I got in at 282.50. All right, now let's violate that 5 minute. All right, that's what we wanted to see. Strong reaction sweep, but it's price is looking like it's being held up. So we'll see. Price failed to flip on the 5 minute. A little bit dicey here, boys. A little bit dicey. What was that? Yeah, who knows, dude? Who knows? Check financial juice. Trump at 8:24 says, if any of Iranian ships come anywhere close to our blockade, they will be immediately eliminated. Okay. Well, fingers crossed there's no more tweets. All right, let's start cycling this to the upside here, boys. Come on. Just a few contracts on here. Nothing too crazy. Eval trading, boys. On a funded account, I would not be taking this against this 5 minute. I'd be waiting for a higher quality. But that's cool, man. That's cool. Just confirm the stop. 243.50, 243.50. Yeah, it doesn't need to be that low. Yeah, we'll just keep it where it's at. 243.50. How's the S looking? Yes, it's looking good. Little inverse here. Inversion retest. Let's send this higher. It's just these weird gaps here, bro. These things are tricky. Spot gaps. Macy, you still running long in this, buddy? Okay, let's get some expansion. We got a 30-minute gap printing in 1 minute. This needs to start moving. Premise of this trade, boys, I was looking for an inversion off this manipulation here. Trump wick flushed and respected. So I slammed a couple contracts long here. Expecting momentum, right? Like let's get some momentum. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, we got the 5-minute flip in like 10 seconds. If we could flip that, that's gonna be huge. No flip. Ay, ay, ay. It still looks like it's got legs. ES is starting the ladder. Let's go. NQ. You have an S&T. I don't think it really is all that relevant though. Yeah, as long as there's no tweets, no doubt, eh? ES reacting off the high, causing a pullback. NQ trying to flip the 5 minute and the 3 minute and the first presented 2 minute. Look at this. Perfect fill. This is the last line of defense, bro. In the next 2 minutes, if we could flip this 2 and the 5, we're sailing. We're paid. I do have an alert set at the high on ES as well. Because if we run that high, and it could be means for a retracement lower. I don't want to be holding this higher risk at that point once ES takes the high. Although we do have new week opening gap at this high, and ES it's a little bit longer of a target. So we will see. But we really got to see this 5 and this 2 and go bye-bye. We're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. It might just be a bit of a chop. Chop the lumber. Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Trying to find a good focus beat. Nothing, oh, nothing too aggressive. Here we go. We got liquid focus. Let's try this. All right, Macy, 15 seconds, bro. 15 seconds to flip 5 minute here. And we got another 10 seconds to flip 2 minute. The 5 goes, I'm confident. If the 5 goes, I'm confident. There it goes. Right before it fucking melts 200 points against me. Chop City, yes sir, yes sir. A lot of indecision or market buying here. Who knows? 25 300 level. A lot of low resistance liquidity building here. Starting to. There's that 5 minute retest. Let it dig in. Hey, what up, big dog? How you doing? Oh, Sean, the music's not playing. There we go. What's up, big boy? We just got this 5 minute inversion, so we're looking to see if we can respect it further for further upside. We also have a 30 minute level below us here. It's looking really juicy. I'm getting ready to clip this. Boys, I'm getting ready to clip it. I'm happy to clip this. Let's see. Give this 5 minute a chance. See if this S&T can drive us higher, boys. Sean, how's your morning, bro? Drive. Well, we got a full refill of this 5-minute inversion, boys. 1 minute S&T. We got to start flipping. We got to start flipping. If we target this low again, I'm probably clipping. Likely to clip. Technically a data wick. I want to see how this 5-minute closes. If we reflip, I'm not holding in this. There's no point. A little dicey. We hold. Another S&T. Like ES still looks like it's got legs, man. I think we hold this. What do you think, chat? What do you think, boys? Hold or no? Is she gonna drop? Why is that data wick? Trump, dude. Tweet. It's a tweet wick. Not so concerned about it because the draw is so clear, being this new week opening gap fill. I don't necessarily think we're going to flush this low unless we come for this 30-minute gap lower. But ES still looks like it's got some good legs. All right, respecting this. Failed to take the high. We got equals. We got ES, new week opening gap fill above. NQ's just fucking chop city. But yeah, anything news related, bro. Anything on financial juice, any red folder news, NFP, CPI, Trump tweets would be a data wick. Okay, now would be a great time to just skirt up a little bit. It's trying, man. It's trying. ES is pulling it up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know you want to. Do it for the kid. Do it for the kid. Come on now. Double top on ES. NASA move up with it to at least grab that. Hopefully. That's the idea, man. I got an alert set on this high. Partials are set up here with a runner. With a ideally looking for a runner to these AM highs for an additional 50, 60. Nothing too crazy. We're just looking to take a bite out of the market today, man. I only took a couple stabs, a couple small contracts. Three contracts on this position here. I was looking for entry here, but then there was this 5 minutes, so I held off. Price reacted to the 5. Trump tweeted, wicked, and immediately respected these areas here. First presented 1 minute as well. Big hold. So that, in my mind, outweighs, just based off this reaction and the respect of the 1 minute, outweighs the 5 minute. Normally I wouldn't take a trade into a 5 minute here, right? But we did flip, retest, and now we're just fucking around. So look at this price action. We've gone a little flat on both assets. Yeah, looks like everything's going flat. All we need is one good push. Usually it's just a couple good candles like this, man. The market will just expand and we're clear to go. Don't make me call Santa. Should I call Santa, boys? Santa? Sir? Sir, I know I haven't been the best boy, but I'm trying. It's not about It's not about who I am today, but it's about who I'm working on being tomorrow, Santa. So please, please, drop your big, juicy sack full of presents on my face. I mean, on my desk, and push the market higher. Come on, baby. Give me Santa's sack. Floating about 180 profit right now, boys. More funded style risk here. Wasn't 100% confident with this 5 minute. More of a funded style risk. Normally I go a little bit bigger on these eval trades, but first trade of the week and wasn't feeling 100%. Santos. Oh, Santos. Oh, Santos, please push the market higher for puppies. Come on, Daddy and Papi need to eat. Daddy and Papi. Daddy Sean and Papi Pedro need to eat. Come on, baby, we're gunning. We're gunning. Let's go. Let's get some fucking TP music going. Let's get it ready. For anybody who's ever been in PJ's live streams, you'd likely recognize this when we hit. It's going to be a banger. Yes, hit. Let's go. Yes, hit. Okay, now we need to decide what to do here. So ES hit. I'm closing a couple contracts here. Okay, boys, I am paid. And my last contract is running. And I'm at break even. Let's go. All right, boys, TP time. Let's go. Yeah, Sean, you know it, buddy. I can't hear a fucking thing I'm saying right now, baby, but we are paid. We ain't greedy. We ain't greedy. This is what we do every day, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Who else got paid? Macy got paid. Ian got paid. And look at that. Let's see what happens here, boys. Get rid of this. If your hips ain't shaking in your chair, boys, fucking get them moving. Come on. Come on, Maria. Come on, baby. We got paid today. Let's go. Just another motherfucking day in the office, baby. Let's go. Drinks outside. Drinks outside. This was the last level we needed to flip. It was 2 minute. Yeah, it was just 2 minute. It might be the tiniest little 1 minute here, but whatever. Come on, baby. We're looking like good continuations long. It's about to explode. It's about to explode. It's going to tap in and go. Tap. Tap and go. Nope. Go. Sean, gotta go. Hugs and kisses, bro. Yeah, man. Daisy's calling, bro. Let's go. Go get those heads. TY Daddy. Got to go. Good work. Yeah, boy. Oh shit! I closed my last. Oh boys, I closed my last contract by accident. Right at the top. No way. Oops. Um. Okay. Oops. Well, shit, man. Like this is gonna fucking run now. Should I? What do we do? What do we do in this scenario, boys? Do we re-enter? Do we turn the music back on and just party or what? Do we re-enter? Oh my gosh, do we re-enter? No, we don't re-enter. Trade's over, boys. Trade's over. This gets a little dicey, boys, if you're looking for a re-entry here, simply because look at this formation we're getting now. Right? We're starting to get some V-shaped property lower. We have a 30-minute gap below us that has yet to be mitigated. And ES took the swing high. So now it's just a matter if ES wants to go towards new week or not. Or it'll leave it for later. This looks good for longs, boys. If we can still just send some momentum higher. Let's go, boys. Come on. Maria. Cozy Reflections. What up? Who are we talking to? Who is this? What a name. George. Of course it's George. What's up, bro? What's up? George, my man. Hold up. Let me turn this shit down. Let me turn this down, man. Yo. What up, Georgie? How we doing, brother? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Happy Monday to the legend himself. Cozy Reflections. I love the new name, George. I love it. George!
At the Depot Pro Savings Event, we're turning pros like you into pro savers. Find top deals on all your most for a limited time.
George, what on earth is that short of you? Is that you stopping your elevator on your account? That is hilarious, dude. I just watched that. That is fucking prime. That is the good shit right there, bro. That's the good shit. Come on now. That is funny, man. Oh, I should play that on here. That's too funny. Yo, is Forex really like, I don't know. George, how's your day been, man? Talk to me about your session. Were you trading live today, brother? Hey. I used to upload funny shorts of other people. Dude, that's hilarious. That guy just doesn't give a fuck, man. He's just mean mugging. Look at this cycle, boys. Let's go. Let's go. So I again, for anybody who's just tuning in, took a long off this Trump tweet. It executed off the retracement into it. I'll break it down in the group here, but basically got in long here. Took TPs when ES took this high. TPs were taken, and then I accidentally closed out my runner at the absolute high here. So we're chilling. Let me run inside. I can fight. Let me know. Banger, boys. This is like one of my favorite songs right now. I don't often like female vocals, but man, this chick does a good job. Or dude with auto-tune, whatever you want to call it. For anybody who's still running longs, this is still looking really good. This is looking really good. We're flipping back to the upside. We're coming for data wick. We're coming for data wick. We're coming for data wick. Looks like a nice trade, brother. I'd give it a, I don't know, a B. I'd give it an A. Like the setup was great. The model was great. Entry was a little dicey. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's fucking go. That is how it's done, boys. It's that easy. It is literally that easy. That easy. Give me some dubs, boys. Let's go, Georgie. Come on, baby. Bro, we got fucking paid on a Monday, and it's war, and the markets are shit, and the markets are this, and the markets are that. We're out here getting fucking paid, man. Replicating the same system over and over. The entry was a little bit unique today, I'll be honest, but that just comes with experience. Let's fucking go, George. Come on, baby. Come on. Push-ups. Push-ups. I'm sore. Come on, baby. Push-ups. Give me 10. Give me 10. I am all out. I'm clipped. I am done for the day, boys. Locking out. Let's go. Lock the fuck out. End of day. Let's go. All right, boys. Tradeovate is done. Tradeovate is closed. We are shut down. Live trading. We are not trading anymore today. We are done. Again, a bit of a marginal win, smaller dub, just because we were trading into this 5-minute. I wanted to de-risk, give myself a second shot off this 30-minute if we did get it. Looks like the market just went big dick straight to the upside. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I'm pumped. I'm fucking pumped. Let's go. Okay, I need to turn this music off. Calm down. It's a gentle exit. Okay. Oh, okay. George, I'm good. How are you, bro? Dude, I'm great. Let's just reconnect for a second here, buddy. I'm great, man. I am great. I was in the mountains Thursday, Friday, so I was off. I traded Thursday, nothing happened. Friday I was off, and then Saturday came back. Sunday took it easy. Monday, here we are. Big week ahead of us. Big week this week. Obviously, the live trading floor, expanding the Discord for the last free week for lifetime access. Launching Friday, we're going to be launching subscription, and with that, we're going to be launching a whole section of training videos and going from there, man. And then we're just going to start to build it out and do as much as possible to just give back to the boys, man. I got some good ideas for like member of the month, all that kind of stuff, bro. It's going to be great. It's going to be great, but just looking to spoil the fuck out of you guys as much as I can. Hopefully get some prop firm discounts too. So if anybody trading futures or CFDs, I mean, that'd be sick. Post some YouTube videos. You know how it is. We're grinding, man. We're fucking grinding out here and just enjoying every second of it. Is it really a grind if you love what you're doing? Who knows, dude? So yeah, the original thought on this trade, George, was enter. We took our entry. Price ended up flipping to 5, so TP1 was this high. Again, ES hit this high first, so I just partialed out at some point. And then I accidentally closed my runner here, but the idea was to let the runner run for about 110 to these New York game highs. Oh yeah, dude, I'm loving it. Ever since I started streaming, bro, like it's been fun. It's been a lot of fun. I like to talk, right? I like to talk out loud and share what I'm seeing, and it's just really cool when other people come in and they're doing totally different things, and we're still profiting, right? And if you could take a little tweak from me, if I could take a little tweak from you, again, I'm not necessarily looking for technical tweaks, but a tweak could be like a midweek adjustment. You know what I mean, or a Monday morning adjustment, right? Where let's say you take a low grade trade and somebody gives you shit for it, or brings it to your awareness. You might not have been aware of it, right? Those type of tweaks, right? But this is pushing. This is pushing out a big NQ baby, bro, head first. I just absolutely love this song. It's just so good. Macy, damn, my original TP would have hit. I got to leave that stop loss alone. Still money though, dude. You still got paid. Yeah, bro. I mean, you still got paid. So, like, fuck it. Do it. Make the adjustment, man. Make the adjustment. Write it down and do better. You already did great, but like you said, you can do better. Right? So figure out ways that you can do better, man, and then just do it. You fucking got this, bro. Every day we get a little bit better, man, and then one day it's like everything clicks and you just do your job. Right? This is just doing our job, bro. And patience is a big part of it, man. Patience, trusting, like. Also, Macy, I've been there, dude. Like I've literally been there, especially when sizing back up with evals, and like back in January, I had 5 Lucid accounts stacked, and I had them all up to like, dude, I progressively grew them from 50K up to like 51 and a half, and then I'm like, fuck this, I'm wasting my time. I want to get paid, right? So I upped risk, and I wasn't comfortable trading it. And let me tell you something, dude. All 5 accounts got nuked within 2 or 3 minutes. I think I remember telling you about that in one of the Thursday calls with the RM community. But it takes some time to get used to just accepting the risk for what it is, man. If I were you, like if you're having trouble leaving risk open, just put a protocol in place, right? However you manage your trade, just make that make sense for you, right? There's no one way to manage that's going to make you the most amount of money every time. There's no one way to manage that's going to protect you every single time, right? There's so many different ways to do things, man. You just got to trial and error, and you'll get it, bro. You'll get it. But again, that's what showing up every day with the expectation of learning and growing is so important and so powerful too, right? Like we don't show up expecting to make money. The market doesn't owe us anything. We expect to make money. That means we're chasing money, right? But what do we expect? What expectations do we put on ourselves, right? Progression, positivity, neutrality, right? If you're feeling negative or you're feeling tired, get off, right? Those are the expectations we put on ourselves. Because if you are serious about doing this and making money and quitting your job and blah, 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 like you have to be fucking dialed all the time. One bad day, and all of a sudden you don't have any accounts to make money on, right? Or your personal's gone, right? One bad day in this industry, there's no room for big error, right? Small errors only. Even then. Macy says, the issue today is that I watched the trade. I should have minimized the screen and went on with my day. This is a work in progress. 100%, dude. 100%. So, you know what? That could be your protocol. I know it worked today, but just make sure that it works. Like that is going to work for you every day, right? Are you okay closing the charts every single trade you take? Like just raw dog and risk open, however you're doing it. If it's a yes, then do it, right? But again, look at the big picture, right? You could always look at today's trade, right? You look at today's trade and you're like, damn, if I just did this or I just did that. So you make the change and then something else happens the next day. And you're like, damn, if I just made this. And then all of a sudden you're making all these little minor changes, little tweaks, and nothing ever sticks, right? And sizing up too. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to get to. Sizing up, even if it's on one account, dude, like it takes some getting used to. Like look at me today, bro. This I took this on 4 contracts, 4 or 5 contracts. Like, in terms of risk, that's like $300-400. Dude, after I nuked those 5 accounts, I was scared to trade 2 contracts because of the psychological damage it did to me, right? Or what I expected to happen didn't, right? So it shook me. Right now, it's like 3, 4, 5 contracts is arguably too small in this type of position, right? It actually fit the profile pretty good because I gave myself 2 shots and there was that 30-minute, but yeah, sizing up takes some time, dude. It takes some time. I traded for, holy fuck, about a month on 1 contract, man. You can't even partial. So you're taking your TP and then you're just like forward testing your partials. You know what I'm saying? Until you get the confidence to do it on 2 contracts and then 3 contracts and then whatever your account can handle, right? I should have the rule of entering and minimizing. Check at the end of the day. Do it. Do it, dude. Fucking do it. I'll make sure to keep you accountable, brother. I'll make sure to keep you accountable. But if that's your type of trading, man, like you gotta govern your exposure too, right? Like it's one thing to close your own charts, but then, for example, if you come and tune into the stream here and it starts messing with your head, and you're like, oh, I want to check it, or because I mean, you know where you got in, you have a general idea, and you're saying, okay, well, my trade's here, and you're monitoring it on my chart or somebody else's chart. That's a fucking dangerous place to be, bro. Right? So do what you got to do that's best for you, brother. You fucking got this. Okay, Macy, let's make that let's put that in motion moving forward, my brother. Let's fucking do it. Looking like a no trade day for me. Okay, you're still trading. You're only still trading EU, right there, Georgie? Okay, George, I need to tell you something. So, something to pay attention to are these new week opening gap, high and low. So the market, where the market closes, right? It's not the candle low, it's the body close. Price closed the week here, right? Price opened the week here because it's a bearish candle, right? So if you ever need to like look at an open or close, just hold over the candle, like don't go on it, or you can go on it, but I just go like below it or above it, and it'll show you the open, high, low, close, right? So this open price should match what's on the screen here, 6695, perfect. So same basis off my trade today, we're targeting the fill of these gaps, right? So we can see that price hasn't quite filled this region yet, right? There's still a little bit of room to go. So again, I'm not sure what your bias was today, but it could have been, if I was trading this, I would have been looking long. I don't know if there was anything in here or not. There's a 1 minute inversion here, but we got higher up on the leg, no interest. New leg, new leg. Anything going on here? Yeah, it doesn't look like it. So as of now, we need to see this 2 minute go. And who knows, there could be a 5 or a 3 or a 5 as well. Yeah, it looks like there's a 3 in the same region. No 5s though. No 5s is always a good thing. There's this first little baby 5 here that price sold off of, but looking long, good man, good bias. I like that. These gap fills are really good. The same with the day opening gaps, but I don't think I don't think Forex gives daily gaps. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'd say that's appropriate. I'd say that's appropriate, right? We got 6 minutes to 6 minutes till the 15-minute flips. So who knows, man? Maybe we print a gap here and then we inverse it. We reverse to the upside. We respect the 15 as a wick, and then we continue higher. That could be good. I'll monitor this with you, brother. I gotta get my markups ready. Thanks for the lesson. I was kind of confused how price usually reacts to those gaps. Yeah, so typically, man, like it's like anything, right? Like if we look at EU, call it a premium discount of this gap, right? We're way up in this leg, right? And we're shifting lower, but oftentimes these gaps get filled pretty good. Yeah. What else is there on EU? There's something a little bit lower here. Nice 1 hour leg. Probably going to be a little too late for the session. There's a nice 30-minute lower first presented. This could be a value tomorrow. But yeah, I would look for that gap to fill completely. Also, George, I wanted to ask you, man, have you done any research in terms of your divergences between EU and GU versus EU and DXY? I personally never really traded with divergences before NQ and ES. But I know Mac talks about how DXY is basically EU inverted, because I think it's like 60% of the DXY is influenced from EU, so something like that. Let's go, boys. Make sure to share the Discord with anybody who's interested. All right, we're gonna be teaching this shit all year long, baby. Wish I had that runner going still. Get in before it's too late, boys. Get in before it's too late. Get on your Discord friends list. Get everybody in. Shit's about to fucking explode. I'll do some research here, buddy. One sec. I think DXY is going to be better for you, bro. Not going to lie. Okay, so I mean, I tend to lean on chat, even though chat's kind of subjective, but basically it says GU is better for SMT or divergences with EU. DXY is better for directional bias, not SMT. Why GU over the DXY for SMT? EU and GU are both USD quoted pairs, highly correlated. This is exactly what SMT needs. Two correlated assets showing disagreement equals a signal. DXY is inverse, not parallel. DXY moves opposite to EU GU. Yeah, I would just stick with GU, bro. You could start journaling DXY too, just to get a grip on like how it, like if it tends to work a little bit better. But I mean, you don't need SMTs necessarily, right? It's not the be all end all, right? But you can see like where an SMT is viable, right? Like I was considering closing here, clipping it, but then I seen the SMT, right? And I gave it a chance, right? I gave it a chance to flip this 5 minute, or to hold the 5 minute, because we flipped the 5 minute here. We flipped the 5 minute here, this 5 minute, flipped it, retested, put the SMT in, and then it pushed higher, respecting body closure. To be fair, GU is great because I won't trade unless both GU and EU. Yeah, okay, that's cool, man. Pay attention to that. Pay attention to what you just said. I like that idea. Because there is something called PD array SMTs as well. So for example, let's just take this 1 minute here. Let's disregard the time frame, right? We could see like NQ came into it, and let's say ES didn't come into it, and we start to see signs of sell-off. Our lean is lower for whatever the reason may be. You can get these SMTs on levels too. Just a heads up. And pay attention to it, right? It might increase confluence, right? But that's for you to figure out and your data to tell you, right? I personally don't have the answers. This looks like it's got good legs though, boys. Retesting, BPR. Well, the boys got fucking paid. Sorry, boys, I wasn't reading the chat here. Flip bearish. Sean, my man, what's good? I'm done for day, Sean. Caught a long, accidentally closed my runner, but we're up about $300, so not bad. Not bad. To be fair, oh, Georgie boy's into you. You longs? Macy, had a call, but I could hear you. I'll make the adjustment tomorrow if it makes sense. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. Dial it in. Dial it in. If it helps you, man, like if you need the accountability, pop in and say what up and just let me know. Let the boys know that you're chilling. Did you take a 1 minute on this there, Georgie? Excuse me. My goodness. Sean, talk to me. You would never do what? Yeah, 1 minute. This is I don't know. It might depend on data feeds, but this is something. For example, I know this candle flipped, but this was the first candle in the next 15. I don't know if you entered off this confirmation or this. Again, depends on your data feed. But just be careful with these breaks, bro, or these inversions. Right? If they're borderline like this is pretty much to the pip, right? Like if we look at, hold up, like if we just analyze this candle low 17,077, this candle closed 17,007. It basically printed right on it, right? This could still turn around. This is gonna turn around for George. We're gonna get fucking paid, boy. Let's go. Macy, charts are closed for the day. You know I'm a one trade a day, win or lose type of guy. Attaboy. I love that idea, bro. I love that. I absolutely love that. I'm like basically the same as you, bro. It really keeps you in the game. Keeps your mind like from blowing up, basically. Attaboy. John, any positions for the kid today or nah? You said you're leaning bearish? I'm still bullish. I am still bullish, bro. The market's kind of chalk now, but we're still trending. We do get this like lower time frame BPR, but I don't know. I see this holding. Maybe not. We'll see. These AM highs are beautiful. But new week gap fill, both assets. That's exactly what we're looking for. This is picture perfect. All right. No, don't trade Mondays, only bearish now because ES swept those highs. When ES swept last week, we got that massive dump. Yep. Respect, bro. Reversal Pappy. Daddy wants to trade a reversal. Yeah, these highs are, we might get a reaction off something like this. I think the new week gap fill could cause reaction too, but let me just go back. There was a new week gap once back in February. Was it here? Anyways, there was a new week gap that happened back in February, I believe, and it was the same concept, bro. Like, all right, Thursday, Friday, Friday. Okay, what happens here? Sunday. Okay, not that. I'm just gonna see if I can find it. Not that. There's decent one. Same kind of structure. Nah, the highs aren't as. This one took a bit longer to fill. Maybe it wasn't this far back. How far would it have to flip for you to enter? Honestly, dude, there's no specific number, but you just got to see it happen. You know what I mean? Oh, whoa. I guess I had a 1 hour gap here back in the day on EU. Cool. It still plays. That's pretty cool. Let me take a peek. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of borderline, right? Like you're basically just praying for this gap to hold at that point, right? If this 1 minute had closed like, hold up. Where did I mark this up? Did I? Oh yeah, I took the level off. Okay. Right. I do like the V-shaped property, bro. I really do. I think this is exactly what we're looking for. Only thing is, like, I would have liked to have seen it probably close. Like, so at least you can see the candle, right? At least you can see the candle, right? And we got SMT with GU. These are also equal, like perfectly equal lows. So I'd be cautious, man. Yeah, exact equals. GU swept. GU's pushing down into this first presented 1 minute. This failed to flip up here, so this might be cooked. Again, right, when we see these 15 minutes start to fail, right, if we look at EU, now that this is flipped, there's a high likelihood that we're gonna go lower, right? We're gonna retest it. What do? We retested it. All right. This is the classic inversion, right? Candle closes on the minute, right? We retrace back in, right? You could actually trade off these levels in your desired direction only if they're in line with your DOL. Only if. Right? And I don't know what the DOL would be down here. I'm not going to lie. I have no idea. There'd be some type of gap fill. But again, you're trading internal to internal, so it's a little bit dicey. But this is how I would trade a reversal, right? I would look for a gap to form up into this inversion, the retest of it, and then I want to see it continue, right? Flip that lower time frame gap, and then basically just trade this model within itself on a lower time frame. Or sorry, this model. Right? Now we're about to print a BPR. We got a 1 hour lower that likely to fill. We got a 30-minute first presented way lower, likely to fill. We also have the new week, so a little bit tricky. Hopefully that helps. To bring it back, I would have liked, like this candle, if it closed up here, I would have taken it, right? But this is borderline. We can see it kind of respect this level, right? It pushes down. If this candle doesn't push down, we don't inverse this, right? If this candle doesn't push down, we don't inverse this. It respects it, holds it down. This is holding price down, right? So hopefully we can get a good rally up. That'd be great because we do have an S&T with GU. What the fuck are we listening to? We also took this low on GU. Comment ça va, mon ami? Oh my gosh. Get out of here. Cycle? George, are you still in this, bro? Excuse me. Good try, George. Good try, bro. Still in, I'm out. Yeah, good try, bro. Good try. Once that 15 flipped, I mean, tough. Tough. You never got a chance to get back to break even too, right? This could easily just pushed up and give you the chance, but it didn't. So all good. The boys and I hit up virtual golf this weekend. Pretty fun. We'll have to go. Dude, 100%. Sean, do you still hang out with any of the guys from Belrose or any of your old boys? You feel like you're on the always on the wrong side of the market? George, do me a favor. Last week, I don't know how you finished, but how many winning trades did you take? The week before that, how many winning trades did you take? The week before that, how many winning fucking trades did you take? Bro, and you're still learning the model, man. You're doing great. You're doing great. Right? But we gotta be cautious of our verbiage, right? Like words like always, can't, wrong. Like you got to be careful with these words, man, because they'll take over your life, right? You happen to be on, trading the wrong direction here, but I mean, we already identified the error, right? So it's all good. I'm glad you did this. We learned a lesson, bro. You were on the wrong side of the market, but you learned a lesson, man. That's where the lessons are learned, right? All right, again, we got to make sure we're fostering an attitude for growth, bro. Growth and progression, right? Eventually results will come, bro. Processes need to be the focus, right? Show up every day looking to learn, right? Obviously the money will come only if you focus on learning before earning. And look at that, bro. We already dissected this beautifully. You're all good, bro. You're all good. True. Yeah, boy. You remember a Connor Taylor, Brent Sager, Brendan Richardson? I lost contact with like Danica and all those people. To be honest, no, I don't know those people. I might recognize them, Sean, but no, I don't remember them. I wasn't like super well versed with your grade because I think you were a year older than me. Aside from like Danica and all her friends, all those crazy girls, but. Other than that, yeah, no. Good stuff, dude. But yeah, no, 100%, man. If you and your buddies want to hit up a sim sesh or me, you and Serge, like I'm down to go with whoever, whenever, bro. You said you're just getting into. You said you're just getting into golf too, right? Is that correct? I can't remember. We had a conversation about that. Macy, George, do you normally trade with the trend or counter trend? I'll let George answer that one. Bro, this like Cuban, Hispanic, senorita vibes they're nice. Oh yeah, the fellas had to tell me what clubs use. Hey, that's all good, man. There's no better way to learn. Sean, in the summer, dude, or actually coming up pretty quick, Twin Willows, 137th Ave and 156th Street. They have really good twilight. It's like $25, $30, and we can go out and just shoot into the evening, dude. It's super chill course. It's just a bunch of like St. Albert guys that go there and older people. It's a great time, man. It's an absolute great time. And we can go fuck around on that course. It's a good way to get some good exposure in the actual golf environment, live environment, but let's hit a sim sesh, dude. Sooner than later. Let's get it scheduled. Good reason to drink beer too if you're into that. So again, this 5 minute is looking like it might want to hold price up. There was a good battle here to take over this region. George replies to Macy saying, in line with the 15, as long as there is a 15-minute imbalance, it can be counter or with trend. Last week, I went on a 4-trade losing streak, but 2 of the trades were mistakes, and I won on Friday. There you go, man. Not too bad. Yeah, you also won on Thursday, didn't you? Not too. You were like 1.7% on Thursday. Not too bad, but one loss can come. Sometimes we feel bad. I don't know why. It's all good, man. It's. I think with the more experience you get, George, the less those losses hurt, the more you become the identity of a trader, right? Sean says, yeah, bro, like 5-minute walk from Victoria, so I'm going to go to the driving range up a bunch. Dude, hit me up, please. I love Victoria driving range. Absolutely love it. That area is so beautiful. Are you just above it, Sean? Or are you south of the city? Or south of the river? Remember, it's probabilities. If your R is on point, you recover in 1 or 2 wins. Honestly, yeah, sure. Like, losing streaks happen. Probabilities happen, but at some point in your journey, you're just going to stop taking shit trades. Plain and simple. Not to say you won't take losses, but it's about learning these lessons over and over and over until eventually you stop taking subpar trades or trades that you look back on and you're like, ah, shit. Right? But that takes time. That takes reps, and that takes, like, that's why simplicity is so important and so crucial, because you don't need a lot to get rolling and get momentum and start making money. Right? You don't need a lot. That's why simple is always best. And then grow from there, man. But foundation and like just set yourself up, gentlemen. Thanks, Mister, for cheering me up, Marcus. You're good, bro. Go get some fucking fresh air, man. Are you working today or are you off today, George? What is this candle? Who knows? It's just like a cucky 1-minute candle. I don't have the live financial juice, but I don't know. I don't know, bro. 100%, Macy. 100%, bro. Struggles come, struggles go. Just give yourself space, dude. Give yourself space. The last bout of struggle I had was, again, when I nuked my 5 lucids. Trading like I hadn't traded in 3 or 4 years, man. Like I've never done that. Never done that. Maybe in my first like 2 weeks. And then it was humbling, man. It was like, what a blast from the past. I sat there thinking, like, what am I doing? Like I tell myself I know what I'm doing. I'm confident in what I'm doing. But then I go and do the opposite. Like, what is going on here? So take some time, reset your mind. And like, you got to get serious, bro. You got to get fucking serious, but also stay relaxed. Stay the course, bro. Stay the course. Exactly, bro. Come back refreshed, or do like me and just shut down today. 100%, man. It's perfectly normal to have tougher days in trading, boys. It's perfectly normal to have good days in trading, right? What you got to do is you got to be able to disassociate from those emotions immediately. If you're feeling that way, get the fuck off your computer, go touch grass, go get hydrated, have a cold shower, go punch something, ideally a bag, right? Not a human. Get it out, and don't let the markets or don't let your trading performance control your life, right? If it controls your life, it will always own you, right? You're either going to be up when you're up or down when you're down. Not good. The charts are not your master. They do not control your emotions. Hopefully, boys understand that. Okay, so George, you need to figure out a coping mechanism. I don't think you need to cope. I think you just need to like beat the horse. You know what I'm saying? I think you just need to beat the horse dead, bro. So anytime you take a trade, do a full markup on it. Show your time frames, the level you're trading off of, the entry, where your draw is, and why that's your draw, and post it in the chat. Every single trade. It doesn't matter what the outcome is, right? Get in the habit of just journaling it. If sharing it helps, then share it. If it doesn't, then don't, right? And then log off, breathe, drink water, and just understand that life is fucking beautiful, man. Life is so beautiful, boys. Life is so beautiful. Imagine letting some stupid chart wreck your day. Bro, I've wrecked years of my life with this shit. Years. The amount of opportunity that I have lost from letting this shit control me, like, it's insane, boys. It's absolutely insane. Eventually you get to a point where you're like, enough's enough, man. I'm just going to have fun doing what I'm doing. Win or loss, I don't really care. Right? Be honest with yourself, though. Why am I losing? Right? Make sure the model is traded as accurately as possible. And if it doesn't, just accept the loss, bro. Just like Macy said, Macy says Trump wicks. So for example, bro, yeah, Trump wicks are scary, man. Like, you could get wiped out real quick, right? Like, look at Zach and RM. Like, he held over the weekend, dicey. But anyways, you get wiped out, bro. You can take slippage, you can blow accounts. And that's why, personally, I'm trading evaluations during this time. And I'm going to continue trading evaluations, right? If I hop on a funded account or a stack of fundeds, I need to understand that, like, those are at risk just as much as the evaluations are, right? What would I rather lose? I'd rather lose the evaluation. Bro, I'll go fucking mow lawns to make money until the markets are in a good place, because that's what a professional does, man. They stay out when they need to stay out based off their own needs, based off their own stressors, right? But you got to be honest with yourself. And if you're afraid to lose an evaluation, then, I mean, de-risk, buy smaller evaluations so you're not putting as much money on the line. But just be like, if you take a $50 account, and let's say it's $100 US, or $50,000 account, $100 US, boys. 500 drawdown is $25. So if you risk a quarter of the account, holy shit, I'm down a quarter of my account, I'm so sad. Dude, it's 25 fucking bucks, right? That's what helped me, was just realizing, like, okay, you know, the number on the screen is a lot bigger than the actual number that I'm making or losing, right? And yeah, reduce risk, bro. Reduce risk, get your reps, and don't talk shit about the markets. If you talk shit about the markets won't offer you anything. You're not going to be primed to execute and to take trades when the markets aren't shit, right? Like, when do the markets become good and bad? Do you know what I'm saying? I know people that call the markets absolutely shit. You know, the markets are terrible, price action's garbage, but they haven't taken a fucking trade. So, like, is it bad? Or is it bad if you've taken 10 trades, 10 losses? Like, how do you measure bad, right? I recommend everybody out here, like, find your draws. And if you don't have a draw, just chill. Markets are neutral. But respect the market, man. Respect the market with your tongue. Don't ever talk bad about it. What are we listening to, man? Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, boys.
Your body's hidden potential. Whether you're 18 or 80.
Yeah, yeah. The only thing that ever makes me feel better is time. Just got to sit with it 90% of the time. You're better the next day or even 3 hours later. 100%, dude. 100%. And again, like you need to dive into what is so upsetting. Is it the money? Is it the fact that you were wrong? Is it you wanted to win so bad, like you think you're due, you think the world owes you something? Like, why do you feel this way, bro? Why? Because it's different for everybody. We can all experience very similar emotions, but they're completely different in how they're fabricated and where they come from. Marcus convinced the markets are listening to him. Dude, why do you think markets, hello? They're in the walls. Listen, bro, if you want to live in my walls, like feel free. Feel free. But just know that I gotta read. I gotta read on this shit, bro. Gotta read on the shit, baby. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey. Hey. Yeah, see, George, good effort, bro. Like, good effort, right? The market ended up just manipulating. It happens. Good effort on you, bro. Again, like, what is it reacting off of? Not much. It's just retesting that 15, but I like the stab. Entry was a little bit, the entry model was flawed or incomplete. But I really do like this level for longs. I did. Oh shit, boys, you can't hear the music. Hold up. I don't know why. Like, I changed the song and it's like, we ain't gonna let you hear the music, baby. So there was another 1 minute trade. Would that have been a good entry? No. No, at this point, dude, at this point, we have a 15-minute BPR. You don't want to be trading into that, right? We flipped. We got a fifth bearish fair value gap. You probably don't want to be trading into this. Like, there is ample room to manage, right? Let's say you got in here, but again, like, sure, if we look at the 1 minute time frame, it's great, man. Look at that. Wow, the entry's there. But again, like, what are you trading off of, dude? You're trading off some rando wick, right? There's no level. You're trading off a wick, right? Unless somewhere in your program, like, you have something that could relate to this. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, this is its own price leg. Maybe you're just taking it like last line of the sand. But I don't see there being any reason to trade this. Very aggressive, very, very aggressive. Right. Same with shorts. Like, I wouldn't trade this short internal to internal. Right. We moved inside. I'm not gonna trade this short back into the leg. We're already in the leg. Right, when the draw is above. And it's too late. Yeah, exactly. George, on another note, when are we gonna get that first YouTube video? Whether it's like an introduction or whatever, bro. You turning off a fucking elevator and standing there like a mean mug. Like, what are we doing? I'm pumped, dude. I'm absolutely pumped. We're gonna blow you up. I like Max Page, bro. I really like Max Page. He his lessons are good. His lessons are good. I like his trading talk. He's kind of got that Jade Cap vibe, just less theatrical. Okay, boys, 10 minutes and I'm hopping off here. I'm off at 12 Eastern. I'll get this trade marked up for you guys, send it in the group, and then I gotta get on with some other stuff here. What are you guys' plans for the day? What are we doing? What are we doing? Nice, man. So George says, starting a YouTube channel with gameplay in the background, talking about how I'm improving my life. That's why I call it Cozy Reflections. Nice, dude. I love it. I love it. Like video gameplay or Macy, my man. Let's go. Get those steps in, bro. Macy, have a good day, my man. I'll still be here for 8, 9, 10 minutes, but yeah, if you're gonna dip, bro, get that walk in. Walk with purpose, bro, and make sure you fucking crush the rest of your day. Right? I want this guy getting a promo. Yo, water check, hydration check, posture check. Get your shit dialed in, boys. Come on. Session's over. We're still dialed. Even with poo-poo PA, boys. Look at that. Bring it back to here. Don't look so bad, eh? Nice, man. George, I absolutely love that idea, man. That's extremely creative. If you want to play some Minecraft, let me know. I haven't played Minecraft since I was like 15. I played it on Xbox 360. I loved Minecraft, dude. I remember the Xbox world was so small compared to the PC world. There wasn't a lot of like tech in the game yet. I don't know if Xbox is any better now, but I know Minecraft is just an absolute game. Like there's so much to it. But hey, if you want to enslave a white guy named Marcus to dig diamonds, you just let me know, bro. I'll hop on. I'll support the cause. Jarge and the boys. I remember watching a Minecraft video once, bro. It just somehow stumbled on my YouTube and... Oh, I gotta sneeze. One sec, boys. Anyways, sorry about that. I remember watching a Minecraft video and this guy invited like 500 people, drops them all on an island, and it's just a free-for-all. It's just an absolute free-for-all, and there's like, he documents everything, bro. There's like tribes that form, there's governments, there's good guys, there's bad guys. Oh, it's wild, bro. I actually enjoyed it. Minecraft, let's go. Minecraft is so good, man. I get bored so easily from it, but it is fun and phase is nice. Yeah, dude, just like anything. You overdo it, you're cooked. All right, did you is your gaming PC still unhooked there, George, or did you hook back up? Excuse me. Yeah, looks like gold is filled new week, almost filled new week. Gold's in a weird spot, man. Like the sell-off was so fast. We're just kind of trending choppy. Trending choppy. Look at this price action. Crazy out here. Come on, come on. All right, George says you decided to hook back up and stop watching YouTube and only play like story mode games and uncompetitive games because I get tired on story mode games after like 1-2 hours. Nice, bro. My only advice to you is just be careful gaming right before bed. If you're going to do any screens before bed, I'm gonna show you something here. Life hack. Hold up. I'm gonna link you something here. Get yourself some of this. Get yourself some of these. Oh no, wrong one. Hold up. Something similar to this. Where's the share button? Where the fuck is the share button? Is there no share button? Like, come on. Measurements, no. How the fuck do you share something, boys, on Amazon? Oh. Oh. Anyways, let me just take a screenshot. George, I'm gonna DM you here, bro. It's fucking insane. Yeah, Sean's been balls deep in that shit, slaying it. Where are you, man? Can't find you. George, what's your trading? What's your Discord name right now? Is it George? EFG. Oh yeah, there it is. Bro, get yourself a pair of these. Hold up. For any type of screens before bed, this is what you need. Holy fuck, dude. Like, where is the photo? Come on. There we go. Get yourself some of those red lights, bro. Red light lens. Okay, Sean says, get Kingdom Come Deliverance. Yeah, if you only want story mode. Hilarious, dude. Hilarious. Almost full TP on NQ forward test. 25,334 entry. 25,334. 1 minute? Okay. Full TP. What's a full TP? 2 to 1 or just this 5 minute again or little greasy scalp? Looks like this 1 minute BPR actually held up. Let's go. Good to see. Yeah, whenever I'm screens in the evening, bro, those red lights help a lot. Yes, George, have a great session, bro. Have a great shift tonight. Work your ass off. Think about the lesson you learned today, right? Get that ingrained in your subconscious as quickly as possible. And have a great shift, dude. We'll reconnect soon. Great stream, brother. Have a smashing rest of your day. Oh, buddy. Smashing. I'm going to have a smashing rest of my day, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, bro. Okay, boys, I'm calling it here. Fuck it. You guys have a good rest of your day. Sean and Macy, have a great rest of your day as well. Yeah, buddy. George is a little beauty. Okay, boys, I'm out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Sean, let's connect and line up a sim sesh, bro. Much love. We'll catch you boys later. Trade review is going to be dropping in the channel in a few minutes here. So I'll catch you guys then. Much love, boys. Ciao.